This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. Lakeview Cottage, a great starter home for some lucky people. Elevated position in the hills overlooking nice. Large deck to appreciate the neighborhood and views of clear lake. Vacant lot next door, so no close neighbors, and fenced for gardening or to keep your pets safe. Large great room for living, also with the lake view to enjoy, with a propane furnace and a good-sized kitchen with a brand new stove and hood and laminate flooring. Tile floor in the bathroom and a deck off the largest bedroom with access to the backyard. Ceiling fans in both windows. Everything neat and tidy, so you can move right in. For more information, review the details below or contact Timothy Toye at 707-928-5912.